There it goes. Look at that. You hear that tire. Fun little buggy.
It's a good point. Yeah, it does. That thing's almost flat. The old Ford or the new Ford? Okay.
One of them ought to bolt right on.
You want me to air it up?
I don't see how it's going to do pretty rough.
Might save your rim.
Not concerned about it.
Right on. Oh, it's off the bead on the outside.
Yeah.
It broke loose.
Not good.
Not good. We got a ratchet strap. Try to get her back on the bead. Yeah, it'll be all right. That one's fine at least.
Old Ford?
Yes. I'm gonna grab it.
How far'd you make it?
Yeah, that one's occupied.
We made it to Jerry's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we made it to Jerry's.
Well, made it back and it kept running, so I mean, it didn't beat anything up too bad, did it?
No.
There's nothing there to beat up.
There's really nothing to beat up.
It's true.
It didn't come apart and hit me, but
Yeah. Well, all right.
no.
Back. The last test drive didn't go so hot.
I came back with a flat tire.
Yeah, so we stole one off the Ford.
We made it a mile each way.
Mm-hmm.
Probably at least.
Yeah, it came. Let's see. You can see it in the other clip. But this thing wants to go.
She does.
And he had a tire on the old Ford. There you go. Your hat. You're breaking it.
Breaking the law, Randy. Breaking it. The law. Randy, breaking the law.
Then we'll catch him in a shit snare. Right, Mr. Leahy?
That thing wants to go. Sweet. Very cool.
I'm okay. I'd rather sit like this than in that wet sea.
Honestly, it's not that wet, but there's really not that much gas. I am shocked at how well that clutch works. It was
Good?
fighting me tooth and nail. Honestly, part of me thought that I would have to hold it again, hold the handle back out and deal with it.
Not for sure, huh?
It's kind of what probably pushed me off the whole project for a while.
You didn't want to deal with that clutch.
Yeah. Tell me now that it's good. About liking to this day.
Hell yeah. Oh, Monte Carlos.
No?
No, it looked like Monte Carlos sitting there though. The 90s, 93. Yeah, the fucking ugly ones. The NASCAR ones. Yeah. I'd rather have the Harley Davidson F-150. That had a supercharger on it. I've been trying to get a hold of one of them superchargers for my excursion.
Really?
It's a 5.4, it'll bolt right the fuck on there.
Think you can hang on for a donut or no? Think so? In the square body, I know it just has the power.
Yep. Yeah, man, right into the river. I don't think you'd make it to the river. That's a lot of trees. Yeah, let's not test it. This road's in pretty good shape too.
Go to the store with it. People ride their Saturday night in the store. This ain't much different.
Well, they started putting tags on those things.
Well, we can put a farm tag on this.
Get the triangle.
Yeah. That man right there.
Yeah, there's one. Stop. License and registration? No. It's really not that scary to ride in without a seat. Toolbox, it's all good. I ain't scared. Yeah. I'm starting to hear that tick. Now she's warm, it's opened up a little bit. Holy fuck! Wow! Wow! What a mother... That was ridiculous. Yeah. Paying no attention.